Hello, hello everyone. I am Varun, and today's our topic is confusion matrix. And we will start with our introduction. In machine learning, building a model is not enough. You must also evaluate how well the model performs for classification problems. One of the most important evaluation tools is confusion matrix. And confusion matrix helps us understand where the model is correct and where it makes mistakes. It gives a clear picture of prediction performance beyond just accuracy. And we will just see it forward what I'm explaining, what I'm just saying in this paragraph. What is, and now we will see what is confusion matrix. So confusion matrix is a table used to describe the performance of a classification model, as you can see below. And its main point is it compares actual values with predicted values, and its predicted class are true positive, false negative, false positive, and true negative. And components of a confusion matrix. A binary confusion matrix has four important terms, and the terms are explained below. True positive, the model predicted positive but it was actually positive, and true negative, the model predicted negative and it was actually negative. False positive, type 1 error, the model predicted positive but it was actually negative. And false negative, the type 2 error, and the model predicted negative but it was actually positive. And matrices derived from confusion matrix are, once we have the values of true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative, we can calculate different performance matrices of classification model. And that's our accuracy. Accuracy tells us how often the model is correct, as formulas TP plus Tn upon TP plus Tn plus Fp plus Fn. And precision, it tells precision tells us out of all predicted positives how many are actually positive, using TP upon T plus Fp. Recall tells us out of all actual positives how many the model correctly predicted, TP and equal to TP upon TP plus Fn score. The score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall, and it provides a balanced measure. Fn is equal to 2 into precision in brackets into recall upon precision plus recall in brackets. And we will see and we will see when we will now see example of real life dog versus not dog, simple understanding. And for a confusion matrix for a binary classification, 2 cross 2 confusion matrix is shown below for the imagine having a dog image or not dog image. And as we discussed earlier above, it is the predicted class. And as we are explaining now dog versus not dog example. So true positive, it is the total counts having both predicted and actual values are dog. True negative, it is the total counts having both predicted and actual values are not dog. False positive, and it is the total counts having prediction is dog while actually not dog. And it is the total counts having prediction is not dog while actually it is dog. The code here and it is the output here. And the confusion matrix is not just a table, it is a true reality check of your machine learning code. If you want to build clever ML systems, mastering confusion matrix is must. And now we will see it when now we will practical it. We will import the required libraries for the confusion matrix for ISMP for the numerical calculation, and sklearn matrix to generate in confusion matrix. Let's go matrix import matplot pyb as plt. Now we import c1 as n. Now we have imported the required libraries for matrix. Importing numpy as np is for the numerical calculation, and importing SQL matrix to generate the confusion matrix, and importing dot matplotlib dot pyplot as plt for plotting, and put c1 as sms for visualization of the data. Now we'll the next step. Now we will define the actual and the predicted values. Actual equal to np dot array is, as we have discussed earlier, we are taking the example of progress now. Now predicted equal to np dot array to next time. Now we will generate the confusion matrix. Actual predicted values. Now it will give an output. See, and now we'll print the matrix as we have given the input and the output value, actual and predicted, and we have defined confusion matrix here. Score matrix comma predicted as it will also give output, and now we will visualize plotting. here's our output. Now the code is completed. First we have imported our required libraries, and this cell import numpy np for the numerical calculation and for to generate, and second one is sklearn matrix for generating confusion matrix, and import matplotlib for plotting, and c1 for our visualization. And second one is we defining actual and predicted values for vision matrix for top and not top, as we define TP when that one, and confusion matrix for actual and predicted, and has given us output, and we have generated here confusion matrix, and now we will print it, and now we have to visualize the confusion matrix through plotting, and it is here. Thanks. And our conclusion: confusion matrix is not just a table, it is truly reality check of your machine learning model. If you want to build clever ML systems, mastering confusion matrix is a must. Thank you.